They had a drug test.
Surprise drug test, guys. Pabili.
Ate.
Ate, isang ate. Isang ganito.
Kasi pink is my favorite color. And blue is my eye color. So good. Hello mga cuties! So today is day 3. And today is a special day for us kasi today is our 4th anniversary.
Anniversary namin, guys.
Ray just got here. It's like 1 p.m. kanina. And kasi he couldn't come early kasi they had a drug test.
Surprise drug test, guys.
Yeah, he will tell you about it in a minute. Pero I just cooked lunch/merienda for him kasi hindi siya kumain kanina or buong araw. Kaya I cooked for him a bit. Kanina I did laundry and just cleaned the apartment. And yeah, look at his food na, guys. There is Ray. Ta-da! What's your food?
Chicken finger? No.
Yeah, like chicken finger, chicken tender.
Chicken tender, guys. Ito. Tapos egg, fries, tapos adobo rice.
Yes.
Tapos nag-request ako ng yan, gravy. Kasi, ewan ko ako lang. Pero madami din naman sa atin mahilig sa gravy, no?
Yeah, Filipinos like gravy. It's good, ba?
Ang sarap daw ang gravy.
Yay!
Siya yung gumawa.
Yeah, I did it myself.
So yun, guys, late na ako nakapunta dito kasi may surprise surprise drug test. Tsaka alcohol.
Positive ba? No, guys, we don't drink.
Negative.
I mean, we drink, but on parties maybe a bit, but not like that we're dead drunk. But yeah, syempre he could go. It's not positive, so ngayon sobrang gutom na siya.
Malayo lang yung hospital, medyo malayo. So kasi 12 pa. Dapat work ko natatapos ng 6 ng umaga. Tapos dediretso na ako nun dito para dito na ako magpapahinga. Kaso 12 nga yung drug test. So alangan na magpabalik-balik ako. Doon ako na muna natulog sa barko saglit. 1 PM na kami nakarating ng barko. Tapos pumunta na ako dito.
What did you plan for us today? That face.
Kain kami sa guys. Sa steakhouse mamaya.
Wow!
Okay, so let's eat. I'll let him eat for a bit. We rest. I need to hang one more washing. And then later we will go.
Natapon!
Uh-oh! Bye-bye! Hi, asawa!
Hello! Volkswagen daw. Guys,
Volkswagen? Right through the trash na.
Oo, tapos
time lang
namin to.
Ano daw?
Ang pangalan ng driver namin, guys, S-Ben.
S-Ben? Okay.
S-Ben. Guys, Dota, guys. Si S-Ben.
I don't know. So yeah, we're done na.
Volkswagen daw.
Yes.
Ayan, guys, outfit niya.
My outfit. Look at my long skirt.
Long skirt.
So long. And raise like that. Like this.
Guys, normal lang, guys. Normal lang tayo. Mainit ngayon.
It's so nice outside, yeah.
Ay, hindi pala mainit. Malamig, guys. Parang nasa Baguio, pero terik yung araw.
It's like the air is still cold. But the sun makes it so hot. So yeah, we will go to the city now. And I think I will get some flowers. And yeah, pero we will show you naman. Let's go there na. Look how cute they are.
Pabili.
Ate.
Isang ganito. 30 lang daw, 30 euro pala.
Oh, look, there's so many roses.
Pabili po.
They even have like really cheap ones.
Oo, pero
like 1K,
1,
10K,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
10K.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11 flowers.
They're also pretty. Look, they have glitter. They're glittery.
Cash. They don't have glitter na, di ba?
Yeah, but some glitter is allowed.
Some glitter is allowed? Hindi.
Para sa akin yan.
Iuwi mo ba to?
Hindi pwede. In 2 weeks, that's wala na.
Sayang naman.
No, I have it for 2 weeks. I love it already.
Oh.
So pretty. Thank you. Wow.
Guys, oh. Ayun na siya. Oh, bigyan ko siya flowers.
So cute.
Oh, cute, no?
Yeah. Kasi pink is my favorite color. And blue is my eye color.
Blue is your eye color. Ayun. So yun guys, binigyan ko siya flowers. Anniversary flowers. Yeah.
You guys have my flowers na?
Oh, punta na kami dun sa ano. Sa Goodwin. Sa Goodwin guys. And dyan lang.
There's a big cow in front of it. Kasi we will eat steak. Kaya there's a cow. So guys, ayun, madaming tao ngayon. Dumadami na yung tao ngayon. Medyo maaga pa eh. Pero dumadami yung tao ngayon sa labas kasi maaraw. Sobrang araw. Ayun, may ano, street musician ulit. Oh, tuntua siya sa flowers niya. Ayun na, ito na yung Goodwin guys. Yeah, that's the steakhouse.
Ayun na yung steakhouse.
We even saw a commercial in the airport.
There was a commercial daw, I don't know. Oh, grabe. Ayun siya guys. Okay,
the first course arrived. It's fish. Marinated fish. Ooh. Okay, let's see if you will like it. I will prepare one bread for you, huh?
Yan guys. For the record, hindi ko to alam guys. Papatong lang daw guys. Okay. Okay.
Try ko muna. So good. Try.
Sobrang good daw. Tingnan natin.
It's so good. It's like a cold marinated fish.
I eat all.
Okay. Sarap, no? Snack. It's like sardines. Okay, let's eat.
Ayan guys, oh, nakain na naman siya. Ako naumay ako guys, naumay. Dalawa pa lang kinain ko, naumay na ako. Baka pag kumain pa ako ng unti.
The bread is so good.
Hindi ko na ma-understand.
We also have this in Germany.
Ito yun guys, oh, black bread.
Maybe that's even better than the steak. I love it.
Guys, ang cute ng Coke Zero nila nasa bote. Meron ba tayong ganito? Comment down below kung meron. Pero alam ko wala. Oh, katabi niya yung flowers niya guys. Huh?
We will keep this for later.
Mamaya.
Better you like it, no?
Oh,
It's not.
masarap guys. Nakakaumay lang. So yun. Naantayin lang namin yung steak.
Yes. Guys, our food arrived. We have the steak, fries, we have parmesan grilled corn, we have sweet potatoes, and we have mushroom sauce. Kain tayo.
Excited na ako guys.
Wow, we want to eat. Let's dig in. Let's eat na.
Let's eat na.
Piti. Hey guys!
Hey guys.
Look at
Guys,
it. It's cold.
bagong forma.
So we were home. We watched a movie, and now we're at Wait, I'll show you guys.
Arsenal.
Arsenal, that's the mall.
Mini mall. Arsenal, Keskus means center.
Yeah.
Center, no?
Kasi Ray needs to go home na. To his trip. Yeah. So we will get ice cream pa. And then I will get inside the house again. That's it for the day. Pero I'm so thankful for this nice day. Salamat asawa.
Siyempre.
Yeah, he really made my day special kasi also this is our first time spending any anniversary together. Some monthsaries we spent together. Pero even that is rare.
Yeah.
Like anything, we didn't spend anything together. Only like normal days. But no monthsaries, no anniversaries, so this is really special. Gangster.
Gangster. Ganito yung mga local sa kanila eh. Ginaya ko lang.
Oh my god.
Diba?
Yes, you reflect them. Sakto lang. Pero skin color hindi.
Ha?
Skin color lang hindi.
Oo nga.
Joke lang.
Nagka-18 man tayo guys.
No, there are plenty Indians are working here. We saw plenty Filipinos also. So yeah, this is how it looks here. Wait, I'll show you. We will go to get ice cream. And then I will go on ship again. Yeah. Look, it's still open, but I think not so long. This is the grocery store. And then we will go all the way there. Ta-da! Dito na kami. Let's get some ice cream.